In the past 30 days, I have gained 17,000 new followers. So once again, let me reintroduce myself because I'm nobody's Beyonce and everybody does not know who I am or what I do. Before anything else, I'm Aisha or Isha, whichever one you want to call me. I am a mother, sister, daughter, college dropout, thrifter, fashion guru, whatever you want to call me, I'll be that and some more. Long story short, I went to college, got pregnant, dropped out, went to hair school, shout out to Rudy and Kelly Paul Mitchell Academy, decided to make a hair account called Rapunzel X Ready, created a bunch of transformation videos and realized, hey, I need to be doing something more than just hair. Even though I was a hairstylist, your girl always got dressed. In fact, when I was a hairstylist, I started doing 30 days of outfit ideas just for fun, not for content. Influencing and creating content was not as big as it was today, and I had no idea I could make money from getting dressed. Now let's fast forward to 2019. 2019, I was still kind of doing hair a little bit on the side, and me and my friend Hatney, we would link up to do like little quick photo shoots, and I would thrift the looks. So she just put a little bug in my ear and was like, Isha, you need to really take this thrifting thing serious. There's not a lot of people doing this. I feel like you would really excel doing this, baby. It must have been the good Lord in her ear telling her to deliver that message to me, because that same day I created a hashtag before I ever created a page. So that hashtag was just my way of putting the little buzz out there. And when I tell y'all, when I have an idea, I hop on it. I'm not the girl to sit back and plan something. When God gives me an idea, well, baby, I don't waste no time, because what's mine today could be someone else's tomorrow. Never forget, ideas are just that. They could bounce around from people to people. When I tell y'all I moved to Georgia, slept on my sister's couch for 1 whole year, baby, in that year, my Thrift and Tell account blew up to the point where I could get my happy ass off of my sister's couch, found my own place. And to think that this all stemmed from one of my friends telling me that I needed to get back into my thrifting and taking it more seriously. Thrifting got me on Access Hollywood, Good Morning America, The Real, The Rachel Ray Show, and more. Okay, the list is long, baby. Child, if starting over has been heavy on your heart, I'm here to tell you, do it. I look at every stage of my life as a building block to get me to the next level. Literally everything is connected, even your broke moments. Because, child, my broke moments are the reason why I learned how to do my hair while I was pregnant, and it's also the reason why I know how to thrift as well as I do. So if you haven't gathered already, if you're new here, you can expect to see outfit of the days, whoop whoop, family vlogs, including my son Jordan, hair, makeup, skincare, shopping vlogs. I'm honestly going to be posting whatever it is that makes me me. I'm so over being niched in. Social media has taken so many different turns. Sometimes I wonder if some of these people that I follow are just AI people, or are they real people? But nonetheless, welcome to Jocelyn's Cabaret. I'm playing. Welcome to my account, and I hope y'all enjoy. Bye.